Alright, looks like we had a pretty big reversal today. If you're in a short position via the ZSL, if the market's still open, sell out. Otherwise, you should have a $12 stop loss on that anyway, which will probably be tripped tomorrow. We had huge reversals in silver and gold, and the gold miners especially. AUY, DROOY, GDX is a basket of gold mining stocks in general. It looks like a big reversal except supply and demand on silver. I still don't like that, probably because we opened up so low today. So I've seen this kind of thing before when it capitulates like this, and it almost got down to 1150, which was prior support. Sometimes it doesn't do it exactly. It got down to about 1175. So it almost got down to the low, but when it goes down real low on one day and then shoots way back up on heavy volume because of news or anything, that's usually a bounce, a capitulation, which means it's put in a temporary low and will go higher from there. So I expect it to break out over the 18-day moving average tomorrow, above 13 bucks in fact, or at least to 13 bucks. So if it goes above 13 bucks, that's definitely a real good indication. Officially, the trend is still down. It's not in an uptrend. We don't have the 90th percentile plus buying signal. Right now I'd say there's 75% chance of it going up tomorrow and 25% chance of it going down. So the bias is up. So I bought a small position today. But if you're following the main strategy, you shouldn't be buying here yet. So get out of the short position, and that should do it. Yeah, gasoline didn't really even do much. So yeah, I guess the Fed came out today and said they're buying a bunch of mortgage-backed securities. See, gas was up real big yesterday, the UGA, and it pulled back a little bit today on real light volume. Yesterday had the heaviest volume it's ever had. So I think oil might be starting to consolidate and move upward here. So I'm watching that too. Yeah, the Fed's bought a bunch of mortgage-backed securities and swept it under the rug. So they took it out of the market. They took that risk out of the market, and the market's dumb enough to think that that's a good thing. So now they can continue playing their little charade. And so whatever. When you feel emotional about the market in any way, you missed the point. So I used to be really pissed off because I knew that the market was a sham. It was just borrowed money. It wasn't anything had to do with any real business. And the market should be zero. That's its intrinsic value is zero, just like the dollar. So anything above that is a farce. And when you learn how to do things the right way, and you see the government and the whole country doing things just ass backwards, it really kind of pisses you off, because I took time to learn the right way so I could make money. But unless you want it, you got to just learn how the scam is played. It's okay. I don't care if it's a game. I just want to learn the rules so I can win the game, and that's what I'm learning. That's what I'm trying to teach. And teaching this really helps me learn, because when you have to reproduce something, you got to think a lot harder. So we can use their little tricks against them, not necessarily against them, but we can profit no matter what these jokers are going to do. So that's why we've got to look at these things. But I do say that silver reversed today, capitulated. It's only down a penny now, and we'll see. Oh, it came down. It used to be up. Now it's down again, but it's huge volume. Just a couple buy orders that dried up, and yeah, but everything's up. GSS, it's a little penny stock I follow. It went up above the 18-day moving average today on relatively heavy volume. It looks like the supply and demand is turning up. We'll see, though. I'd say silver has a better chance of going up tomorrow than down, but time will tell. So get out of your short if you can, if the market's still open. If not, no big deal. Just let your stop loss, or sell tomorrow. If it's down tomorrow, just let your stop loss sit there. If silver's up tomorrow, then get out of the ZSL. So that's how it rolls sometimes when you trade. But you just got to stay steady. Don't chase the market. Just wait for the signals. That's what I do. So I will. There's some other thing I want to talk about, but I can't remember right now. But I might do a third video later tonight. All right.